With over half a century of distinguished service in the United States Air Force, the F-15 Eagle has evolved into the very embodiment of air superiority. This iconic aircraft, a symbol of American air power, has continually adapted to the changing needs of modern warfare. Today, we'll explore the latest evolution of this legendary fighter, the F-15EX Eagle II. We'll delve into the numerous enhancements made by engineers, examine how it differs from its predecessors, and discuss why the Eagle II is positioned to be a formidable adversary on the battlefield. The journey of the F-15 began in a different era, shaped by the geopolitical tensions of the Cold War. In July 1967, the Soviet Union showcased a new generation of combat aircraft at an air show near Moscow, specifically at the Domodedovo Civil Airport. Among the stars of this new fleet was the MiG-25 Foxbat, a twin-engine fighter with dual vertical stabilizers and a blistering speed exceeding Mach 2. The Foxbat's impressive capabilities caught the attention of US Air Force planners, who quickly recognized the need for a new air superiority fighter to counter this threat. The urgency was clear. The US needed an aircraft capable of outperforming any existing or projected Soviet fighters, a role that hadn't been adequately fulfilled since the development of the F-86 Sabre in the late 1940s. In response, the US Air Force initiated a new program. In December 1967, were awarded to General Dynamics and McDonnell Douglas for concept exploration of a next-generation air superiority fighter, superior in air combat to any adversary. This decision set the stage for the birth of the F-15. The following year, the Air Force issued a request for preliminary designs. Fairchild Republic, McDonnell Douglas, and North American Rockwell were selected to develop initial designs, leading to the eventual selection of McDonnell Douglas as the primary contractor for what would become the F-15. On December 23, 1969, the Air Force awarded McDonnell Douglas the contract for the F-15. Despite not conducting a competitive fly-off, a decision that sparked some controversy, critics feared that bypassing this step would result in cost overruns and delays. However, these concerns proved to be unfounded as the F-15 program became one of the most successful aircraft development and procurement programs in Air Force history. The F-15 Eagle first took to the skies in July 1972, and by 1976, it had been fully integrated into the US military's air arsenal. Designed to be the ultimate air superiority fighter, the F-15 quickly proved its worth. With its remarkable durability, versatility, and unmatched combat capabilities, the F-15 Eagle became a frontline fighter unlike any other in the US inventory. Despite being initially designed to achieve speeds of up to Mach 3, the F-15's specifications were later adjusted to Mach 2.5 to control production costs. Nevertheless, the F-15 emerged as the pinnacle of air superiority fighters, setting new standards in aerial combat. In 1988, the F-15E Strike Eagle variant was introduced, further expanding the capabilities of the F-15 platform. The Strike Eagle was designed with a focus on deep strike ground attacks, close air support for ground troops, and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. This variant allowed the F-15 to take on new roles, including ground attack missions, while retaining its formidable air-to-air combat capabilities. Over the years, more than 1,198 units of various F-15 models have been produced, including the F-15A, B, C, D, and J variants. In addition, specialized versions such as the F-15K Slam Eagle for South Korea have been developed, along with over 525 upgraded Strike Eagle variants currently in service. The evolution of the F-15 has been marked by significant advancements in its power plant and avionics. The earliest versions of the Eagle were equipped with Pratt & Whitney F100 engines, each providing 25,000 pounds of thrust. However, today's F-15s have been upgraded to use two General Electric F110G129 after burning turbofan engines, each capable of generating more than 29,000 pounds of thrust. These enhancements have ensured that the F-15 remains one of the fastest and most powerful fighter jets in the world. Despite its incredible longevity, the F-15's aging airframe and lack of stealth capabilities have left it at a disadvantage compared to the latest 5th and 6th generation fighters. However, the F-15 continues to serve as a versatile multi-role platform for the US Air Force. excelling in air and base defense, close air support, deep strike, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Its combat record is nothing short of legendary, with over 100 aerial victories and 0 losses in dogfights, solidifying its status as the most successful modern fighter in aerial combat. Given its remarkable service history, it's no surprise that the F-15 has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable and durable aircraft in the world. Over the past 5 decades, approximately 125 US F-15s have been lost, primarily due to pilot error in low visibility conditions, ground incidents, or training accidents. This translates into an outstanding service record of fewer than 2 aircraft destroyed per 100,000 flight hours, a testament to the F-15's exceptional durability and performance.
However, despite its impressive track record, the F-15 was long overdue for an upgrade. As weapon systems, targeting mechanisms, and radar technologies advanced, the need for a modernized version of the F-15 became increasingly apparent. In 2018, after years of discussion and planning, the U.S. Air Force and Boeing initiated talks to upgrade the F-15. The primary objectives for this new jet included improvements in payload capacity and advancements in munition systems. Additionally, the Air Force sought an aircraft that could outperform its predecessors in terms of speed, range, and overall performance. These discussions ultimately led to the development of the Boeing F15EX Eagle II, a next-generation fighter jet designed to carry the legacy of the F-15 into the future. The Air Force set a target for the Eagle II to enter service in 2021, a timeline that aligned perfectly with the Air Force's strategic needs, with production of the F-22 Raptor having ceased and the F-35 Lightning II still facing production delays. The F15EX Eagle II emerged as the ideal solution to bridge the gap between existing airframes and the future of air combat. The development of the F15EX saw Boeing present two potential configurations: the single-seat F15CX and the twin-seat F15EX. The Air Force ultimately chose the twin-seat version, which can be operated by a single pilot or with the assistance of a weapon systems officer. This flexibility is just one of the many enhancements that set the F15EX apart from earlier models. The F15EX Eagle II offers several significant improvements over its predecessors. One of the most notable upgrades is its increased armament capacity, with the ability to carry up to 22 air-to-air missiles and launch hypersonic weapons up to 22 feet in length. This gives the Eagle II a substantial advantage in future near-peer conflicts, where the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously from long distances will be crucial. Additionally, the Eagle II is equipped with a new electronic warfare suite known as the BAE Eagle Passive Active Warning Survivability System (EPAWSS), which enhances its survivability in hostile environments. The F15EX also benefits from an extended service life, with its airframe designed to last for up to 20,000 flight hours. This is a significant improvement over previous variants, ensuring that the Eagle II will remain a vital asset to the U.S. Air Force for decades to come. Performance-wise, the F15EX promises higher speeds, longer ranges, and lower operating costs than earlier F-15 models. It can achieve speeds of up to Mach 2.9, approaching the legendary speed of the SR-71 Blackbird, making the Eagle II the world's fastest operational fighter jet.
Moreover, the F-15X boasts the longest standoff air-to-air engagement range of any fighter in the USAF inventory, allowing it to engage enemy aircraft from a greater distance than ever before. This capability, combined with its ability to carry a larger payload of advanced weapons, positions the Eagle II as a critical asset in maintaining USS superiority in the coming years. Another key feature of the F-15X is its state-of-the-art avionics and flight control systems. The Eagle II is the first USAF F-15 to be equipped with digital fly-by-wire flight controls, which enhance the aircraft's maneuverability and responsiveness. Additionally, the F-15X features a glass cockpit with a touchscreen interface, providing pilots with more intuitive controls and real-time data displays. The aircraft is also fitted with the APG-82V1 active electronically scanned array AESA radar, which offers extended range, improved multi-target tracking, and enhanced precision engagement capabilities. The F-15X is designed with an open mission systems OMS architecture, allowing for the rapid integration of the latest technologies and ensuring that the aircraft remains relevant in an ever-evolving combat environment. This OMS architecture provides the capability for the F-15X to operate independently when isolated and reconnect to the global cloud network when conditions allow. This flexibility is essential in modern warfare, where the ability to adapt quickly to changing circumstances can be the difference between victory and defeat. Besides these advancements, the newest F-15X is equipped with the latest Suite 9.1 software, which is also used in upgraded legacy aircraft. This software suite enhances the F-15X's combat capabilities, enabling it to operate seamlessly alongside other advanced aircraft in the USAF fleet. The F-15X can also control up to 5 loyal wingman drones, further expanding its operational capabilities and enhancing its effectiveness in various combat scenarios. The Eagle II has already demonstrated its potential in recent tests, where it successfully integrated with the F-35 Lightning II and other advanced USAF platforms. These tests have shown that the F-15X can operate in conjunction with fifth-generation fighters like the F-35, providing enhanced situational awareness and increasing the overall effectiveness of the USAF's combat fleet. In conclusion, the F-15EX Eagle II represents the culmination of over 5 decades of innovation and evolution in the F-15 platform. With its unmatched speed, extended range, increased payload capacity, and advanced avionics, the Eagle II is poised to be a formidable force on the battlefield for years to come. As the US Air Force modernizes its fleet, the F-15X will play a critical role in maintaining air superiority and ensuring that the United States remains a dominant power in the skies.